Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be doing another cooking video. So hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. Here on my channel I usually do a lot of makeup material, but sometimes I like to throw in a cooking video. I used to run a tea room back in the day, and I am sharing some of the recipes that we used to use. I also unbox subscription boxes and sometimes talk about mental health. If you are into any of that, or say you're into all of that, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time that I upload a new video. So today I am making Blackberry Cobbler, which was one of our most popular desserts at my tea room back in the day. I keep saying that, but yeah, I hope you really enjoy it. And if you tried this out yourself, please comment down below. Please come back and comment down below and let me know how you liked it. So let's go ahead and go to the cooking portion and show you how we do it. Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, here we are in the kitchen for Blackberry Cobbler. What you are going to need is 2 bags, or 2 pounds, I should say, of frozen blackberries. You are going to need 2 pie crusts. Of course, you are welcome to make your own pie crusts of your own. This Blackberry Cobbler is going to need a bottom crust and a top crust. We are going to be using 1.5 cups of sugar. We are going to be using some flour. We are going to be using water, and you are going to be needing a whole stick of butter and some lemon juice. So let us, and you are going to be needing a bowl and a 9 by 13 inch pan sprayed with an all-purpose spray. Okay, so we're going to take our first pie crust. Let me flour this area. You're going to want to bring these to room temperature, either by leaving them out or by microwaving them for however long it will take to bring them up to room temperature. And then you will want to take a rolling pin, which is something else you need, and roll them out so they will fit into the 9 by 13, or is it 9.5 by 13? I don't know. Your pan. Oops, let me move that one. I don't have a lot of space in my kitchen.
Should move the scissors out of the way.
Oops. It doesn't have to be perfect. So then
yeah. So you roll it onto there and then roll it off again instead of trying to pick it up.
Right. Just roll it.
Because I would try to pick it up and then probably mess it all up, right?
Yeah.
Very sneaky.
So just lay it into your pan. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, you will want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. You'll take your bowl and let's go ahead and take our sugar here. Okay. We are going to need 1.5 cups of sugar.
What kind of sugar?
This is white granulated sugar. Okay, so you have 1 cup. And there's 1/2 cup. Then you will need 6 tablespoons, of flour. And there's 1, 2,
Just your basic all-purpose flour.
3, yep, 4, 5, 6. Just use the same thing to get you a cup of water. One cup of water, and then 1/2 a stick of unsalted butter. Okay. Now, and then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, and now we are going to microwave that for 6 minutes. Okay, I'll be right. Okay, this is what your mixture is going to look like. You are going to want to whisk that up so it looks nice and neat. So okay, mine's just gonna have lumps in it. That's just how it's gonna be.
But you'd say that there's no need to whisk it anymore at this point, really.
Right, it's fine at this point.
There's no need for unnecessary whisks.
Right. Then you will put your blackberries into it. And take a spatula and then fold your blackberries into this mixture. Oh, I got a big lump in there. It's okay, nobody's perfect. And then take your pan and pour your mixture. Oh, that's hot. pour your mixture into your pan and spread it around evenly. Okay. And let's put that top layer on. Just like the first layer, do the same thing.
Do you need any more butter?
Yes, you will still need half a stick of butter. We'll get to it.
You need a lot of butter. A lot of butter.
What?
A lot of butter. Put some butter and then put the butter on top of the
You'll
butter.
need more sugar and more butter. Come over here. And you will top that over here. Just tuck in the edges. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. The more rustic it looks, the better. Okay, let's bring it back over here. Now you'll want to get out about 1/4 cup more sugar, and or less, maybe not that much, but you will just want to sprinkle sugar all over the top. I'd say about 1/8 cup of sugar. And then you will take your half a stick of butter and chop it, well, slice it up into 6 or 8 pieces. And then put them all over the top of the cobbler. And then we are going to bake it at 350 degrees for about, we're going to check on it at 45 minutes. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so this is kind of what it should look like when it is done. You want it to be brown around the edges. Of course, you don't have to put the butter on top because it makes it kind of wet on top, but you know, whatever you want to do. So this is right out of the oven. We are going to scoop some out and let Erin try some. Of course, you might want to let it sit for a little while too. That is totally up to you. We, of course...
It smells good.
Yeah. We, of course, recommend using a Bluebell ice cream, homemade vanilla, if you...
The unofficial ice cream of Texas.
Yeah, if you have access to it. Oh, that's a lot. So that is how we would serve it at the tea room. Okay, now we are going to switch places, and Erin is going to do the test.
Yeah.
Okay, Erin, tell us how it is.
That's very good. Excellent. I'm not usually a huge cobbler fan, so very tasty and full of berry goodness.
Do you like blackberries?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you heard it from Erin. All right. Okay. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will go and try my recipe. Of course, the recipe will be in the description box down below. Like I said, if you tried this recipe, please come back and let me know how it worked out for you. And yeah, please leave a comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you're not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day. Check me out on my socials down in the description. I am on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you are having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay safe out there, stay strong out there, and stay healthy. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Okay, just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.